Now to do something a little bit trickier, but I think that it's well within our capabilities. Since we have this pocket created now and holding the battery very well, we want to secure that battery pocket inside of the hat. And I'm going to do that with epoxy also. I think this might also be a really good application for something like that E6000 adhesive because it doesn't have to be mixed, but I'm going to go ahead and do it with the epoxy anyway. So this is the front of the pocket, obviously. I see this being the part that attaches to the hat. And also, I mean, the hat is round because it goes on your head, and so it's not going to be perfect. And the way I see this going is I want the pocket to open up downward so I can slide the battery out easily, so coming out this way. And I'm going to put it in the back. So it's right there in the back. And there it is, just kind of at the bottom and tucked all the way up to the top. That's my plan. So you can see it's going to be a little bit of a danger zone on this side, but we'll move it in a little bit, and I think it'll still have enough contact points to keep it in place, and then we can really do a good job with the epoxy on that side. So let's go ahead and do this. Definitely more than last time. Or, well, we'll need to use more. Probably could mix a similar amount. I'll go with that. Probably try to get all of it onto the pack though. Okay. I'll turn this around to see. Don't want it dripping when we move it into the hat, so I'll try to get that a little bit more distributed. But it would be nice to have it kind of thick to know that it's going to have enough to kind of seep into the hat too. All right, I'm gonna put some on the other side and then just see what is left to kind of spread out. And I do want to be close to that edge, but I want to make sure it's not possible, it's not too much that it's going to get onto the battery. I bet we could break it loose, but I don't want to have to go through that. I'm really going to focus on this corner because I think that will be a main contact point, as well as the top here. I don't think the middle is going to touch as much. It's really seeping in there, but we're going for it. All right, and then opening down. Get these wires out of the way. All right, and straight down. Lines up pretty well with that seam. Now it's up against the top and pushing down, and that's it. So I can tell that the hat's actually deforming a little bit as I push down, and I really don't want that to happen because then it will kind of hold that shape and pull. Oh, you know what? I did after all that I put the pack in reverse. I'm going to take it out, flip it. Hopefully it's good. You know, I see the marks for where it touched the hat, and it's I'm going to take that as an opportunity to add a little bit more right on those spots. All right. There we go. That's opening the right direction. I'll try to line up with those same Leaf spots. Time to check it out. Let's see, I'll take the little battery out. That was holding it down, and yeah, that seems pretty good. I'm not gonna pull on it too hard, but I'm gonna unclasp it. Battery comes out. Okay, that's great. Yeah, I'm very satisfied with that.